i-fibre is designed with trio split technology. Trio split technology is we take the fiber and split it 3 times. The competitors split their microfiber 1 time. So the big advantage of trio split technology is we're going to hold a lot more solution in more splits and pick up more germs. We also have a mesh backing in i-fibre. The mesh backing allows pre-treating of the mops when they're in the bucket to go straight through the mops, and we pre-treat immediately. Competitor mops with a hook and loop backing will launder 200 to 300 times, where i-fibre is guaranteed for 1,000 launderings. So the life cycle cost is much less with i-fibre. With i-fibre, you're investing in a high quality product that gives you more life cycles, and with 4-dimensional cleaning, you're going to get much more productivity out of your workers and clean more of your facility.